Madam Speaker, the Prime Minister of the Republic of India.
Mr. Prime Minister, I welcome you to the House of Representatives chamber, and your address today is a significant occasion in the history of this House. I now call upon the Honourable the Prime Minister.
Madam Speaker, Mr. President, it is long overdue for an Indian Prime Minister to address this Parliament, given that the leaders of the United States, China, Indonesia, Britain, Canada, Japan and New Zealand have already done so. But I am personally delighted that this omission is at last corrected. It is fitting that in the home of our democracy we should be addressed by the leader of the world's largest democracy.